Welcome to BizCivitas, your premium space for networking, collaboration, and growth. This walkthrough will guide you through the app so you can explore, connect, and make the most of your membership. Use the credentials sent to you in your welcome email from BizCivitas. For your security, please change your password right after your first login. Homepage. The app opens on the homepage. This space is always fresh, with posts and threads on business, learning, collaboration, and sometimes just fun, the BizCivitas way. At the top, you'll find your notifications, the main menu, and your profile. Update profile. Your profile is your digital identity. Start by adding a profile picture. It's how people will recognize and remember you. Next, update your business details. Then move to two important sections, Biz Needs and Biz Leads. Biz Needs are your business requests. For example, I'm looking to connect with the HR head of XYZ company. General Biz Needs can be broader, like looking for good branding agencies in Ahmedabad. Add as many as you need, anytime. Biz Leads are the opportunities you can share. For example, I know the procurement manager at ABC Limited and can connect you. Or a general lead, like I often work with travel consultants and can introduce you. Further down, add your personal details, who you are, your achievements, goals, passions, interests, and skills. Finally, complete your travel diary. Here you can share dream destinations, recent trips in my footprints, business journeys in deals on wheels, and future plans in your business bucket list. A complete profile helps fellow Civitas members know you better and collaborate more effectively. Tap the dashboard icon in the bottom navigation bar. Here you can track all your networking activities. Meetup, log, and track your meetings online or offline. BizConnect. Record business connections you've received or shared. BizWin. Celebrate business you've given or received. This is where success gets logged. Smart Match. BizCivitas AI suggests the best connections for your profile. You'll also see your upcoming events and trips right here. From the dashboard, you get one-tap access to BizPulse, your newsfeed, BizHub, your community space, Knowledge Hub, your learning library. BizPulse keeps you in tune with the BizCivitas world and the wider business universe. Scroll through posts, like, comment, and share your thoughts. BizHub is your own space. Post about business needs, collaborations, learnings, or casual chit-chat. To create a new post, tap the plus button, add a title, choose a category. Write your content, upload images if needed, and post. Knowledge Hub. Knowledge Hub is your learning companion. Here you'll find expert curated training, recordings of past events, member-shared skills, and resources that can support your business growth. Tap the connections icon in the bottom navigation bar to explore our ever-growing community. Search for members or view profiles directly. Each profile shows business details, biz needs, biz leads, personal interests, skills, travel diary, and events attended. If you'd like to connect, send a request. Messaging keeps conversations flowing. Open it from the floating chat icon on the home page or from the top right menu. You can view past chats or start a new one by searching a member. To edit or delete a message, long press and select the option you need. BizCivitas is always buzzing with activity. Tap the events icon in the bottom navigation bar to explore online and offline events and trips. Click for more details and mark your attendance, or request an invitation, all in just a few taps. With BizCivitas, networking becomes effortless, meaningful, and fun. So dive in, explore every section, and make the most of your BizCivitas digital experience. BizCivitas, where ventures and voyages intersect.